Let's freestyle building a world. All right, let's start with the 3D environment block. It's got a spawn point already in it, so this is where people will load in. If I wanted to, I could replace the whole environment, but I don't know. I like the grid worlds to start with. So I'm going to add a 3D model block, and let's put a concrete wall. I think I have a model somewhere. Wall? Do I have it called wall? Yeah, wall, or wall accent. I don't know. Let's go with wall. Boop. And that is huge. That's not even a wall. All right, let's try that again. I'm gonna select the model. Let's go wall. There we go, wall accent. Let's see what that is. That's better. That's a weird shape, but that works. So I've got this shape. Probably want to scale it up so I can scale. Click the scale key, boop, and then I'll zoom out with my scroll. Yeah, I want to put some things on that wall. So I'm gonna move it and I'll just click this around, put it right here. I'll rotate it. Boop. And let's add an image. See what images I've got. Let's do this guy. And he's super big, so we need to scale that down. Hit the scale. I'll zoom in. Scale. Probably about there. Cool. Now I'll hit the T key, move it in place. So I like to overlap it wherever you want it to hit on the surface. So I'll put it right here, and then I'll hit the R key and rotate it until it kind of lines up perfectly with the back, the wall. Then I'll hit the T key again, move it up. And notice it's kind of off center and I want to focus on it. If I hit the F key, it should now be focused so that when we zoom in, oh, wait, is it? Maybe the F key isn't working. Oh, it is. Okay, I'm just silly. Okay, yeah, if you hit the F key, you can focus on the thing that you're working on. So yeah, I like that. I'm gonna see how it's kind of just perfectly against the wall. That's how you can align things. It's backwards though, I just noticed. So I'll rotate that and do it the other way. There he is. And I'll hit the S key, scale him in some more, T key, drop him down, forward, and I'll rotate him a tiny bit. And that's cool. I don't know. This is just kind of putting him in a spot. That's good enough for me. So let's say I wanted to add something else, another image. You can copy. It's a little weird. So you have to copy, and if you add an image block and paste, it'll take over that image block. So I'm working on a better copy flow, but that works for now. So now we got a copy of it. I'm gonna just drag it out, and you can right click and drag to shift your camera. So I'm gonna just do this, probably about right here, back, whoops, forward. So that rotation's pretty good for aligning it with the wall here. Yeah. Let's see, maybe we go right here. Boop, and then rotate. Boop. And then another image. Oh, actually, got to click on the image and then replace the image. I do this all the time. So then I've got this guy. He's a different size, so I'll hit the S key, scale him up. T key, if I need to reposition, but this is good enough for now. And now I want to add a sky. There's going to be some improvements coming to the sky block where you can control it more, not use images, but actually control a sun and all kinds of things. But let's just go with the green sky that I love so much. That's cool. And I've got this world. Now I want to add an NPC. So let's go with an NPC. And I want to find, where's Pixel? I have a character named Pixel. Oh, that's a GLB. I want a VRM of pixels. Where is that at? High res pixel, that's fine. It's a really big file, but I'm on my local environment, so it doesn't matter as much. And now I'll move her probably right here. And I'll rotate her. No, actually, let me focus on her just so I can, like, there. Rotate her around, and let's tell her to talk about this piece. Pixel is a AI agent that is friendly and helpful, offering information about the world around her. And that's good enough. We're not going to go too elaborate. Hello, how can I help? And then let's go ahead and go to the model block. I want to give this model block some alt text to describe it because we can include that in the NPC's context. So you can include world objects in the prompt and it'll be able to talk about it. And then from there, we can go to the model and describe it. So this sculpture is a giant pink, green, and blue shape of two circles that join at the center. On display are two portraits of tubby cats. And then from there, we can publish this and then view the post, load the world, and let's go find our NPC. Pixel says, how can I help? I'm going to say, tell me, what is there to do here? I'm going to say send. She's going to respond. There are many things to do at this location. You could admire the giant green and blue sculpture, view the two portraits of tubby cats, or explore the surrounding area. Are you interested in any particular activities? There we go. So yeah, this is kind of how you can do metaverse experiences with AI and WordPress and 3D objects. You can even use your images from your media library. It's pretty endless. And yeah, you could jump off the edge of the grid world and fall forever. You can hit the R key to respawn and get back to where you want. So yeah, you can build some really interesting things. Like you maybe put more pieces of art here, add an entire gallery space where you can like walk inside of a building, and it's pretty limitless. So yeah, have fun building things.